Hey y'all, just wanted to show you the project that I'm working on this week. We've already got the boardwalk removed, installed the new framing, now we're putting the hardware in. We're waiting on the decking to show up. We'll get it decked down. We've also got a dock out in the water we're going to be removing this week and getting replaced. As soon as I get this project completed and done, I'll post completed pictures. Thanks. We're getting our barge from the previous job pushed over to go ahead and get started on the demo of the dock and the boardwalk. We also are able to store this on the barge, haul it to the boat ramp, and unload it. Here's our next demo project here. Got a 5-foot wide boardwalk going to a 5-foot wide pier out over the water. We're going to be demoing all this product here and building it all back brand new. This is out at Pensacola Beach. The guys made it over here with the barges. We got them secured to the dock, got some anchors out, spuds down, ready to be moored overnight for an early start in the morning. We got us an early morning start on this project. We're already removing the decking and framing, getting it bundled up, put on the trailer. We're gonna haul it over to my wife's reclaim center. We like to try to keep all this stuff out of landfill, and you'd be surprised at the stuff that people make out of reclaimed lumber. This is how easy the decking is to come up whenever they don't use the proper fasteners. There were not stainless steel screws, so they just pop up. Even the framing underneath is loose. You can see here the scab blocks just fell right off of the stringers. So just a matter of time for this whole thing just to fall down. The customer decided not to replace the old pilings, so we're going back using the old pilings, installing new framing and new hardware and new decking. We're going to be using a TimberTech 1-inch decking, so we got our framing on 15-inch centers for proper support. All this decking will be screwed down with color-coded stainless steel screws to match the decking. We got the 288 foot of boardwalk tore out, got it framed back up with the framing, got the bolts going in now, and we're waiting on the deck, and we'll go ahead and start getting it decked. As soon as we get the boardwalk decked out, we're going to move out to the water, go ahead and start moving this dock, pilings, everything's coming out. We're going to go ahead and reinstall a new dock. The new poles will have piling wrap on them to prevent the pilings from rotting away. The decking will also be a graded Thru-Flow decking. Thanks for watching this video. As you can tell, I definitely enjoy what I do and I like showing it off. It gives people some ideas of how to do their own project, or if you're going to hire us to do it or another contractor, you see the right way to do it. We try to put all of our experience of 40 years in these projects. If y'all would subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, you'll be notified when I do the completion of this project, and also share. If you got any comments, leave me some comments. I'll be happy to interact with you. Thanks.